Why do bloggers and content creators struggle to create attractive Pinterest pins? For many, it's not just about designing a pretty image. It's the frustration of spending hours trying to figure out keywords, writing catchy titles, and posting consistently. The result? Their content gets lost in the noise. Less traffic, fewer clicks, and ultimately fewer sales. But here's the surprising truth. It's not just a lack of time. The real issue is that creating Pinterest pins manually is complicated. It requires design skills, daily posting, and constant research. And most common solutions fail because they don't address this complexity. They often make the problem worse. But there's a better way. Imagine a system that automates pin creation, writes SEO-optimized titles, and schedules posts for you. That's what PinGenerator does. Just ask Sarah, a fellow blogger. She went from 0 traffic to over 10,000 monthly visitors in just 3 months using this system. With PinGenerator, creators can finally focus on what they love, creating content. No more stress over design or posting, just consistent traffic and clicks. Ready to transform your Pinterest game? Click below to discover how we drive massive traffic effortlessly with PinGenerator.